In today's video, you will learn about 5 medicinal teas that you can always drink to boost your health. Do you have the daily habit of drinking tea? According to a study published at the European Heart Journal, people who drink tea at least 3 times a week gain some extra years of life and a healthier heart. This is incredible, isn't it? Natural teas, each one with their own characteristics and properties, offer many benefits to our health. This is why they are recommended to start the day nicely, to drink in the afternoon, or even before sleeping. See now 5 medicinal teas that you can drink in all the moments of your life. Green tea. Ideal for slow metabolism, it is rich in caffeine and flavonoids, which boost metabolism and favor fat burn. It also has a diuretic effect that aids in eliminating liquid retention. To make it, you need 1 dessert spoon of green tea leaves in 1 cup of water. Heat the water without letting it boil and pour it over the leaves. Close the lid, let it infuse for 3 minutes, strain and drink without sweetening. To get its effects, drink 3 to 5 cups a day. Boldo tea. Another herb that works as a homemade medicine to treat digestion and a fatty or enlarged liver. It has properties that improve the secretion of bile produced by the liver, which alleviates some symptoms like nausea, pain, and abdominal discomfort. To make it, you need 1 teaspoon of dried boldo leaves and 5 ounces of boiling water. Let it sit for 10 minutes and drink it warm, 2 to 3 times a day, especially before and after meals. Rosemary tea. Rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals. Besides helping with hair health, this tea is also great for persistent headaches. Drink a cup of hot rosemary tea to treat constipation, tension, stomach aches, and headaches. To make this tea, add a teaspoon of fresh or dried rosemary leaves in 1 cup of boiling water. Let it infuse for 15 minutes. Drink 2 cups a day. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Ginseng tea. It is great to regulate blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. It is also recommended for any couples that want to spice up their intimate life. In addition to this, ginseng tea has stimulating and revitalizing properties that are great when we are tired or stressed and need an extra boost to keep up with our routine. Add 0.35 ounces of grated ginseng root to 1 cup of boiling water. Let it infuse in a closed container for 30 minutes. Strain and drink twice a day. Chamomile tea. It is excellent to fight insomnia thanks to its soothing properties that help relax both the muscles and mind. It is the ideal tea for your night. Boil 17 ounces of water and turn off the heat. Add 1 cup of dried chamomile flowers. Close the lid and let it sit for 15 minutes. Drink the tea an hour before going to bed to help your body relax and sleep. It is important to remember that, although they are natural, these teas may present side effects. In case you show any undesired reactions, immediately suspend use, and if the symptoms persist, seek medical advice. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.